We're just gonna jump straight into this makeup tutorial, and now I'm applying some concealer on my eyelids. The one I'm using is a Too Faced Multi Sculpting Concealer. As you can see, I already did my brows, shaped them up and all that good stuff. So yeah, this is where we're at now. Now we're gonna move on using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set the concealer. The palette I'm going to be using today is from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be using the shades as they're listed in the same order: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right here, I'm applying some gold shimmer eyeshadow on top of the orange look that I have going on here. I just like that little glow that it gives it. You know, it's the holidays, so we gotta put a little bit of spark into it. Now I'm gonna go in with foundation using this one from Il Makiage. And I'm blending it out using my damp beauty sponge. Now I'm going in with concealer, and this is the same one that I used earlier on. I'm using a second concealer, and this one is by Tarte Cosmetic, and this one is lighter than the first one, and that's the reason why I'm using it. I want you know, right under my eye right here to look a little bit lighter. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my concealer again using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm gonna go ahead and warm up my face with some bronzer, and this one is from Morphe. On top of everything now, I'm gonna go in with my MAC setting powder. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my Anastasia of Beverly Hills highlighter to put some glow onto my face in certain areas. And now I'm going to go in and apply some blush, and this one I'm using is from Il Makiage. Now I'm going to go ahead and line my lip, and the lip liner I'm using is one of those lip liner you get in the beauty supply stores, nothing special. Here I'm using a brush to blend out the lip liner, and then I'm gonna add my lipstick. Unfortunately, that part got cut out because my memory card got full, but anywho, we're gonna move on to showing you guys the finished look. And this is the overall finished look, you guys. I try to make it as short as possible because I didn't want to hold y'all. But if there's anything that you missed, if there's anything that I didn't really cover, because yeah, I know it was a short video, just ask me in the comment below and I will definitely try my best to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Some of the products I used today will be listed in the description box for your convenience. If you find this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified as soon as I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!